So, you've decided to accidentally, spontaneously rekey your mmxii or memolis, like I have just done. Let's fix that. We're going to put these two plates on in their normal orientation, or at least try. This is an operation that kinda needs 3 hands, but that's alright. We'll make do with 2. Now, with the key in and these plates on, we're going to rotate them 180 degrees. Or try at least. Is everything free floating now? Not yet. Okay. That's the first step of this entire procedure, get everything back to free floating, which can be a pain in the dick to do. As you can probably tell, so this is not recommended. It's not recommended to accidentally rekey your memolis. And there we go. Now the easiest way to do this is to put it down, and then with a pick align all the gates back to the middle. And I should probably go and design a jig for this to make this a hell of a lot easier. Then you grab your sidebar and you drop it in, just so those things don't move anymore. Then you rotate these two plates back. And drop the sidebar. Remove the key, and with everything still, with both sides still in place, double check if everything stayed in place. If so, you're done. Reassemble and try to keep at least the front piece on to stop the rekeying bar from moving.